Hey everybody, it's Molly and Phil again.
Hello.
We are back to tell you about some more VIP exciting experiences. And Phil, take us away with Saturday night.
Yeah, so now we got Saturday night, the second night of the ride, and we're going to go back to the tasting tent. We should give this thing a name, like the Daniel Boone tasting tent, or the Hunter S. Thompson tasting tent. And Saturday night, we're going to be hanging out with our friends from Buffalo Trace.
Oh, nice.
Yeah,
okay.
This is very cool. They're going to walk us through what they call their recipe tasting grid. So we're going to taste 5 different products that come out of the distillery, including Wheatley Vodka, W.L. Weller Special Reserve,
Ooh, very nice.
Buffalo Trace, and the two I'm most excited about, Blanton Single Barrel Bourbon, and Sazerac 6-year,
nice.
the Baby Saz, as some people call it. All different grains, different mash bills, aging techniques. So we're going to walk through and see what it is. I know we've got, riders coming from 42 states in the past?
Yeah, a little more now.
And you always hear about how Blanton's, particularly Blanton's, and even Sazerac, and even some of that everyday Weller is hard to find in some of these states. So it's certainly a chance for people to taste something that they can't get in their backyard.
Nice, I like it. And so again, how many people or how many tickets are available?
We got a small tent. We want to keep it intimate. So 50 people, and that's it. You know, maybe we'll grow in years to come, but we want to offer something really special for the people who sign up for this thing.
Okay, so you know what that means, guys. This is limited. This is a great experience.
There's one more thing, too. We got to talk about this.
Oh, yeah.
We got a world-class host for this thing, too.
How did I forget?
We've got Bourbon Hall of Famer Freddie Johnson. His grandfather started the Buffalo Trace Distillery in 1912.
So it's a family legacy?
Oh, yeah.
Wow.
He's always been very close with it. He makes an amazing connection about what's in the bottle as far as building relationships and how an empty bottle is more meaningful than a full bottle because of the memories you create.
Nice.
He even has a root beer named after him now that they sell at the distillery. Freddie's one of a kind, and it's such an honor that he's going to come and tell some stories and walk people through the tasting of the Buffalo Trace.
I've heard wonderful things about Freddie, so you guys again are in for a huge treat.
A hoot and holler on Saturday night up on our tasting tent.
Okay, so now that you have all the details, don't forget they're limited, these tickets, so make sure that you get yours today before they're all gone.
And we'll see you in late September.
Yeah, here in just a few weeks. Bye.